Are you looking as mobility and safety become more important with age? Walk-in tubs have grown in popularity among seniors seeking comfort and independence. These specialized tubs offer features like hydrotherapy jets, low thresholds, and slip-resistant surfaces, ideal for aging adults or those with limited mobility. In this guide, we evaluate the best walk-in tub. List number: Ella Ultimate 30 by 60 inch acrylic air and hydro plus independent foot massage walk-in bathtub. The Ella Ultimate walk-in tub combines high-end features with exceptional functionality. Crafted with durable acrylic and a stainless steel frame, this 30 by 60 tub offers both air and hydro massage systems, delivering a full-body spa-like experience. What sets it apart is the independent foot massage, which operates separately from the main jets, perfect for quick relaxation without filling the entire tub. Its dual drain technology ensures fast water removal, while the inward swinging door makes access safe and easy. The tub also includes two 2-inch drains, an ozone sterilization system, and strategically placed grab bars. Though it's a premium product with a higher price point. List no Ella Deluxe 30 by 55 acrylic air and hydro massage and heated seat walk-in bathtub. The Ella Deluxe 30 by 55 walk-in bathtub is an excellent choice for seniors looking for comfort and affordability without compromising on features. It includes dual massage systems, air and hydro, and a heated backrest and seat, ensuring a warm, soothing soak every time. The compact 30 by 55 footprint makes it ideal for smaller bathrooms, while the textured floor and ADA-compliant design prioritize safety. Its inward swinging door is easy to operate, and the tub comes equipped with independent water and air controls, offering a customizable bathing experience. It also features auto purge to keep the jets clean. This model stands out for its
List 3 Ella Deluxe 30 by 55 inch acrylic air and hydro massage walk-in bathtub with right inward swing door. A variant of the previous model, this Ella Deluxe with right inward swing door caters specifically to bathroom layouts requiring a right-handed entry. It features the same durable acrylic build, dual massage systems, and dual 2-inch drains for fast drainage. Seniors will appreciate the ergonomic design, featuring a contoured seat and strategically placed grab bars. Its air massage jets are gentler than water jets, making them ideal for sensitive skin or arthritis sufferers, while the hydro jets target deeper muscle tension. This model skips the heated seat but retains all the core therapeutic features. It's perfect for homes where right-hand door orientation. List number:
COZ walk-in tub 52-inch by 30-inch walk-in tubs for seniors with left side in-swing door. The COZ walk-in tub is a solid mid-range option that balances affordability with features. At 52-inch by 30-inch, it's compact enough for standard bathroom installations, but still offers a deep soaking experience. The left side in-swing door is designed for convenience and easy access, and its non-slip surface and built-in safety grab bars increase bathing security. While it lacks air or hydro jets, its versatile tub-shower combo design allows for both quick showers and long soaks, appealing to seniors who want flexibility without advanced massage systems.
List number 5 CleanCut Convertible Bathtub Accessibility Kit. Convert existing tub to walk-in tub. White size large. For those not ready to invest in a full walk-in tub, the CleanCut Convertible Kit offers a practical, cost-effective solution. Instead of replacing your existing tub, this DIY kit modifies your standard bathtub, creating a walk-in access point by lowering the tub wall. It's available in multiple sizes and colors, with the large white version being a popular choice. Installation typically takes just a few hours and requires no plumbing changes. While it doesn't offer massage features or built-in seating, it significantly improves tub accessibility and safety for seniors at a fraction of the cost. It's perfect for those on a tight budget